तुम सब सो गए थे। You all had fallen asleep. You all had fallen asleep. वो इसकी तुलना में कुछ नहीं है। He is nothing compared to it. He is nothing compared to it. मुझसे पैसे मत मांगो। Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. असल में ये सच है। As a matter of fact, it's true. As a matter of fact, it's true. मैंने इसके बारे में नहीं सोचा है। I haven't thought about it. I haven't thought about it. ये मेरा आपसे वादा है। This is my promise to you. This is my promise to you. लेकिन ये होगा कैसे? But how will this happen? But how will this happen? आप वो कैसे करेंगे? How will you do that? How will you do that? मैं रुकूं या जाऊं? Should I stay or go? Should I stay or go? क्या तुमने उसे अभी तक फोन किया? Have you called her yet? Have you called her yet? मुझे मत बताओ कि क्या करना है। Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. मुझे सोचने के लिए थोड़ा समय दो। Give me a little time to think. Give me a little time to think. मुझे निराश मत करो। Don't let me down. Don't let me down. क्या ये बस समुद्र तट पर जाती है? Does this bus go to the beach? Does this bus go to the beach? जाने से पहले एक बात सुन लो। Before leaving, listen to one thing. Before leaving, listen to one thing. अपने बालों में तेल लगा लो। Apply oil to your hair. Apply oil to your hair. मैं तुमसे जरूर मिलूंगा। I will surely meet you. I will surely meet you. जल्दबाजी में तुम हमेशा भूल जाते हो। You always forget in haste. You always forget in haste. ऐसा दोबारा कभी नहीं होगा। It will never happen again. It will never happen again. ये पहली बार नहीं है। It's not the first time. It's not the first time. हम उनसे पहले ही मिल चुके हैं। We have met him already. We have met him already. क्या आप कभी उसके घर गए हैं? Have you ever been to his house? Have you ever been to his house? किसी को इस बारे में पता नहीं चलना चाहिए। No one should know about this. No one should know about this. आपको डरने की कोई बात नहीं है। You have nothing to fear. You have nothing to fear. मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया है। I have not told anyone. I have not told anyone. मैं खुद उससे बात करूंगा। I will talk to him myself. I will talk to him myself. फिर से ऐसी गलती मत करना। Don't make such a mistake again. Don't make such a mistake again. राज मत खोलो। Don't spill the beans. Don't spill the beans. हमारे पास जो था सब ले आए। We have bought all we had. We have bought all we had. मैं क्या गलत कर रहा हूँ? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? हमारी उससे बात हो गई है। We have talked to him. We have talked to him. क्या तुमको भी ऐसा ही लगता है? Do you think the same? Do you think the same? अगला है, मैंने आपको सब कुछ बता दिया है। आई हैव टोल्ड यू एवरीथिंग। आई हैव टोल्ड यू एवरीथिंग। तो ये क्या है? देन व्हाट इज दिस? देन व्हाट इज दिस? यहाँ कोई और नहीं है। There's no one else here. There's no one else here. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि ये संभव है? Do you think it is possible? Do you think it is possible? उसे कौन पसंद नहीं करता? Who doesn't like him? Who doesn't like him? मैं उनसे एक बार भी नहीं मिला हूँ। I've not met him even once. I've not met him even once. कोई नहीं बचेगा। No one will be spared. No one will be spared. क्या फुसफुस कर रहे हो? What are you whispering? What are you whispering? तुम्हें किसने कहा ये करने के लिए? Who asked you to do this? Who asked you to do this? अब स्थिति कैसी है? How is the situation now? How is the situation now? तुम इसे अभी नहीं समझोगे। You won't understand it now. You won't understand it now. मैंने जानबूझकर ऐसा नहीं किया। I didn't do it deliberately. उसने बिना वजह मुझ पर आरोप लगाया। He blamed me for no reason. He blamed me for no reason. वह अभी भी आपका इंतजार कर रहा है। He is still waiting for you. He is still waiting for you. आप वहाँ कहाँ रहेंगे? Where will you stay there? Where will you stay there? मैं नहीं जानता कि वे कौन है। I don't know who they are. I don't know who they are. मुझे अब भी याद है तुमने क्या कहा था। I still remember what you said. I still remember what you said. वह सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचती है। She only thinks of herself. She only thinks of herself. मैं आपसे सहमत नहीं हूँ। I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो आएगा। I don't think he will come. I don't think he will come. क्या वो तुम्हारे साथ आई थी? Did she come with you? Did she come with you? क्या तुम उसे यहाँ अक्सर देखते हो? Do you see him here often? Do you see him here often? मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा। I never said that. I never said that. मैं अब तुम पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकता। I can't trust you anymore. I can't trust you anymore. दवाई लेना मत भूलना। Don't forget to take pills. Don't forget to take pills. वहाँ पानी मत गिराओ। Don't drop water there. Don't drop water there. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? क्या तुम उसकी सच्चाई जानना चाहते हो? Do you want to know his truth? Do you want to know his truth? मैं आपका उपकार कभी नहीं भूलूंगा। I'll never forget your favor. I'll never forget your favor. क्या आपको यहाँ काम करना पसंद नहीं है? Don't you like working here? Don't you like working here? अब मुझे चलना चाहिए। I must leave now. I must leave now. अंग्रेजी सीखना आसान है। English is easy to learn. English is easy to learn. हम आपको अनुमति नहीं दे सकते। We cannot allow you. We cannot allow you. यहाँ बहुत शोर है. It's too loud here. It's too loud here. इसे वहाँ रख दो. Put it there. Put it there. अगला है, क्या मैं लाऊं? Shall I bring? Shall I bring? क्या वो तुम्हारा है? Is that yours? Is that yours? मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही बताया. I already told you. I already told you. ठीक वहीं पर रहना. Stay right there. Stay right there. अगला है, मुझे मेरी कलम मिल गई. I found my pen. I found my pen. कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. संतरा छील दो. Peel off the orange. Peel off the orange. नल खोल दो. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. नल बंद कर दो. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. अकेले मत जाओ. Don't go alone. Don't go alone. मेरे रास्ते में मत आओ. Don't get in my way. Don't get in my way. उसे यहाँ ले आओ. Bring him here. Bring him here. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. कार में बैठ जाओ. Get in the car. Get in the car. क्या आपने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? मुझसे बहस करना बंद करो. Stop arguing with me. Stop arguing with me. ये कितने का है? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? आप क्या काम करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? अगला है, मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to bed. I am going to bed. मौसम कैसा है? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? अगला है, देर हो रही है. It's getting late. It's getting late. मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया हूँ. I am stuck in traffic. I am stuck in traffic. क्या मैं इसे पहनकर देख सकता हूँ? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? दिमाग से काम लो. Use your brain. Use your brain. दबे पांव चलो. Walk on the tiptoe. Walk on the tiptoe. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. So guys, ये थे आज के कुछ सेंटेंसेस. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, वीडियो को लाइक करके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.